What's up, everybody? Xavier Salazar here, and we're going to be playing Can You Escape? Alright, let's do it. Okay, a puzzle.
It's right here, just $100.
Yeah, okay. This is kind of easy. I think they're going to get harder, though. We'll see.
We'll see how much we can finish in one video. Alright, I'm doing my intro in 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Manny Perez here today. And I'm going to be doing Can You Escape? And I got this idea from Xavier Salazar. So, let's start this. Ooh, I love puzzles. That looks about right. Nope, that doesn't look right. Doesn't definitely not look right.
Okay,
I had it.
That thing.
Fudge!
What's here? Nothing? Okay. Okay. Can this door open? No? 1915. What else is there?
That looks about right. That looks. Yeah, that sounds all good. Why are they watching me build a horse? Where's the butt? Well, all I said was butt. There we go. It's the handle. What is this too?
It made me do mine over.
I guess it's because you're not good enough.
No, I completed it.
What do we have to do? What's wrong with this painting? 1915. Does that have to do with anything around here? Done that. It's the clock. Oh, I see now. Can we upload?
Oh.
Screwdriver. I know what this is to now. It's not to the painting. Not to that. So it must be to this. Yep. Nailed it. Oh, is that the code? Let's try it. What is it? 19... 15? Yeah, 1915. Nailed it. I'm on second level already. Let's finish this.
Go ahead.
Okay, that's obviously the first thing we saw. Second thing. Don't know what that is.
Am I supposed to do something with this?
493. Is that a code? Code?
Yeah, this
Oh,
is
it's this
code.
code. 4 9 2 3. There we go. 493.
304.
I'm guessing this to this.
Who get this?
To this. Credit card. There we go. Finished with second level.
Still on the first.
Look, here you go. You go back. Go to that drawer. Use that for that. And then you should find the screwdriver and look at the picture you were just using. Is there anything inside the coffee? What's this to? What is that? I don't know what that is. Oops. Anything up here? What is this? What? Can I grab it? Just grab this. Can't grab it. Oh, what is that? I saw some. Let's try to solve this off. Okay. Let's try to figure out what this. Alright, is it to this cord? Is it a USB plug? There we go. Oh, is it the cars? I guess it's cars. Yellow, blue, red, green. Yellow, blue, red, green. Yellow, blue, red, green. Yellow, blue. Oh. Red. green.
Here.
Wait. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Oh, there we go. I think we're almost done with the third level. Nailed it like a boss. Oh, what is that? Red.
The second one was pretty easy.
Wait, what? Blue, red, yellow, green. Blue, red, yellow, green. Melon. What's melon? What is that? So open this one.
What do I do with this?
Oh, nice. Can I shank people? The new eye shank. How do I use this? No batteries? Oh, batteries. There we go. What's going on down there? Can we grab the keys? No. I already did that. Is there anything I missed? Microwave? Let's try to test the microwave. Not that. Not that. Oh, what did I grab? Is this to make this go in? Let's test it. Got it. Nailed it again, Xavier. I'm ahead of you. How much minutes do we got left? We got 4 minutes later. Anything on the couch? Bird. Bird's holding the key.
What now?
What is this?
What do I do now?
I'm confused. Wait, what? There's something. What's in here? Oh, there's another one. I guess he has 2 drawers. That one. That one.
This is kind of hard.
Feeder for the bird. Bird gives me nothing. Oh, he drops the key on the floor. Oh, I need an exclamation
What's
code.
in here? Nothing? Oh,
There we go.
battery.
Wait, what? 2, 5. Nope, nope, nope. Back, nope, back. 8, 4, 5. 8, 4, 5. I'll check it again later. So I guess you have to do something with this room. No, what's with that? Anything under the bed?
This is hard. Oh, red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, yellow, green.
I have another key. What's it for? What is this? Pink, light green, pink, light green, light green, black and white. What is that? Pink, light green.
What the heck am I supposed to do with this battery?
Try backwards.
What does it want me to look right over here?
Black. Green. Oh,
Oh.
backwards. Did you figure out too?
No, I'm still in this one.
Oh. Oh, I know what to do. It's the first code from the glass bottles.
I know. Blue, red, yellow, green. I'm doing that.
Blue. Blue.
Blue, red, yellow, green. Oh,
The Hamlet.
what about this? Still coming from that.
What? The
What's over
fuck?
there? Nothing. Knife? Oh, I know. I'm supposed to do for me. Then I have this.
One. Oh, I see it now. Call. 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. I got the code now. 3, 2,
I can't get it.
1.
Why can't I get the keys?
There we go. I got it, Xavier. I nailed it.
I can't get the keys. Oh, that is it for this episode. So, bye.
Bye.